on, I will be making a video of one of the series I've been doing with my friends. Recording, and also I'm making this video to keep the channel alive. I haven't posted anything in a while. Now let's start. And very much thank you for whoever's watching. And this will be now let's start actually. My children, this will be the story of the Nature Guardians. So in this chapter 2. So I read this to you each day. Okay, Mama. Now once upon a time, there was a kingdom called the Nature's Kingdom. It had 2 loyal subjects to a girl called Mother Nature. Their names were Bunny, Bunny, and I will tell you that one name later. Bunny was not doctrine, but another name, and Bunny and the Moonlight were adopted, but Mother Nature treated them like her own. Well, Bunny was just walking through the castle one day, hopping through the castle one day, she heard a crack. A very loud crack to be exact. So she looked over, and even over, and even over, and even more over, until and even more over, until she saw her sister Moonlight climbing a tree. The sounds the older sister made were quite pleasant. And while she was being listening, she was thinking, Bunny ran over to her. Oh, dear sister, what a wholesome part of the story. What a wholesome part of the story. Sister! 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 What is it, sister? Sister, there's a meeting about that Mother Nature wants us to come to. A meeting, you say? Well, I must not miss one. So let's go. Let's go, sister. Till they ran off to the meeting area. We're here. She moved the meeting area to here. She said Mother Nature calmly walked over to her children. Hello, my children. I have called you to this meeting. I'm redoing that. Hello, my children. I have called you to this meeting. Why did you call us? Why? 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 Yes, ma'am. Yes, Queen. Why have you called us? I want to tell you to go warn tell all the guards, all the animals, everyone who would attack for our survival to get ready to fight because the Diamond Kingdom will be coming today. Now everyone, that's the end of this video. I'll do next part next time. Now goodbye.